Is there anything that smells good and has lots of bright and pretty colors?
What is it, Zuriel?
Flowers!
Flowers? Very good.
Flowers!
They're gonna make flowers. Gonna
Yeah,
get.
my mom loves flowers. Let's go!
Sabina! Zani! Love you, Zani.
Smelly goodie. I mean, what could be better? Bless you.
Thanks, Sue. Okie dokie. Time to deliver mine. I love you day present.
What's his I love you day present, Zuriel?
Yay.
Flower. Yay! Here comes mommy. Achoo! What did he do? Sneeze! Sneezy. Si sneezy siya, no?
Must be the wind.
Honey! 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 Okay, watch. Uy! Yan na nga mga buya paila. Bye, Sabina! Hi, Sabina. Where's your nose? Very good. Zani! And Sabina, where's your teeth? Tang, tang, tang. Ah! Where's your tongue? Oh, very good. Show your tongue. Teeth. Teeth. Very good. Eyes. Eyes. Beautiful eyes.